Welcome to MedEd Bytes, micro just-in-time education. Hello, this is Karen. Today's Byte will show you how to set a baseline on the SonarMed monitor. It is important to set the correct baseline to activate monitoring of the endotracheal tube tip movement and to ensure receiving movement notifications from the endotracheal tube optimal position. The monitor is designed to walk the user through the sensor calibration and setup process. After sensor calibration, the user is instructed to attach the sensor to the patient's endotracheal tube. It may be helpful to suction the patient's endotracheal tube prior to connecting the sensor to clear the endotracheal tube of secretions. Once the sensor is connected, press the green Go button, and it is time to set the baseline. There are two options for setting baseline. The first option would be to set baseline at whatever the current tube location might be. This will allow tube movement measurements to start and afford the clinician an opportunity to assess if that location is acceptable for continuous tube movement monitoring. If not, the tube could be moved to a new preferred location and then the baseline reset once the tube has been secured. The second option would be to view the waveform screen. The airway box section of the waveform screen shows an airway echo. That echo gives an indication of the current location of the ETT. The general area of the carina is the small red tick mark in the airway box. Each tick mark on the x-axis is approximately 1 centimeter from the carina. The baseline could be set once the tube was adjusted and secured to the location desired. Note that the waveform screen will only show the yellow current measurement of tube movement, and then once the baseline is set, the blue baseline echo will be displayed in addition to the current yellow echo. After completing option 1 or 2, baseline can be set. Baseline is set on the main screen of the monitor. If the waveform screen is displayed, press the main screen button to return to the main screen. A flashing 0.0 is displayed on the monitor. Press that key and a confirmation prompt will be displayed. Confirm by pressing the middle function key one more time. A confirmation tone will sound. Baseline is now set and the monitor will start displaying tube movement. On the main screen, the black dot indicates that a measurement is being taken. If you see a green box with a number flashing below the movement section, it will indicate the number of seconds from the last reading. Medtronic, engineering the extraordinary.